Hey, come on.
Now this people is the upper class part of the town. Look at the houses. Look at the houses. It's big. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. It's hardly any crime. This is how the upper middle class is living. This is the richest street in Jeffreys Bay, Mimosa. This is where we call it in Afrikaans Rykmanslaan, right? Rich Man's Avenue. This is where it is. This is what we want for everyone. This is what we want for everyone. Because when people work, labor creates wealth. And those who labor should be benefiting from this wealth. Elon Musk, Donald Trump, you are lying. You are lying. You are lying to the people of this world. There is no white genocide. There's no white oppression. We've got the highest living standard in the fucking country. Okay? Don't talk nonsense. This is what the EFF wants for everyone.